Welcome again, new tutorial. For today, we will continue to answer some questions coming to my Arabic channel. It will be helpful also as in English if I translate it. So here, the first question, it's how to make a quiz or a question in my bot, and if the user answered it yes, it's showing right, and if it's answered wrong, I will say to him the right answer. So first of all, how to do this one? We have two ways to do this one. First of all, if I will use the user input, so I'll ask him how many days in a week, for example, and I'll put it here in Q1, and I'll make go to block. The first go to block, I'll make the qualification as Q1, qualified is 7, and I'll make it's Q1, right? Another go to block here, specific Q1 is not 7 or 7. Okay, this is, and the block, it will be Q1 wrong. Here, yes, you are right. Wrong. Sorry, it's 7 day a week. Okay, so I will test this one now. How many days in a week? I'll answer 8. Sorry, it's 7 day a week. So if I need to test it again, how many days a week? I press 7. Yes, you are right. So this is the first way. The second way is, so I have to remove this one. I have to remove this one also. The second way is, I'll put the same, how many days a week, and I'll put quick reply 7 Q1 right, 8 Q1 wrong, and attribute I can say it Q1 answer. To just this one, it will be helpful if you need to give a score to this. So I'll test it once more. 7, you are right. I'll test it again. I just wait for this one to reactive. I press 8, say sorry, it's 7 day a week. Okay, now the next question is how to make a share button to be able to share my boot, and how can I make the user to use the share button to send it to all his friends via message in messengers, Facebook Messenger. So here I have to remove it, this one, to be able. I just make a gallery. Kindly share my boot with your friends, and I'll put here, yes, this one have to be down. So my button name, the first button name is from my boot URL. I put my URL for my boot. So you will put your boot URL here and just make another button and make share button. So in this case, if I test this one, it will appear like this: kindly share my bot with your friends. So this is my bot URL, and this is the share button. So if I share it, it will share the card itself, so I can type the name of the person or the group with my friends. So what else we have? The next question is, if I have a bot and it's mandatory to send a broadcast every day, twice, automatically, once day, or once morning and once evening. And this one, it's up to you what you need exactly. If you need a dynamic dynamic broadcast or static broadcast. So if you need a dynamic broadcast, so you have to make a sequence, and you make this one after 1 day, this is after 2 days, and so on till infinity, as much as you can. And in the first sequence you will put here, this is your daily message. If you would like to continue to receive a daily message, kindly subscribe. And you will put a quick reply, sub, and here you will put the name of the block of the second sequence. No thanks, put it anywhere outside the sequence. So in this case, you will do all the messages one time till whatever days you need. 1 year, it's okay, and you can start your broadcast daily. But if you need to do it dynamically another way, you have to do here, like for example, you will just do it starting from 20 from tomorrow, and timing up to you, user time zone, leave it as it is, and repeat it every day in the same time. And here you just make a text card, and you say, to show the daily message, kindly press the below button. Here, daily message, and I'll make a new block and I'll name it message. I'll go back to the automate. I go to the message, and here I'll make go to block random, and I'll put all the blocks I need. So I have 1000 blocks, so I put it here in one time. Every time the user he received the broadcast, he will press the button to daily message. It will come to this block, and it will give him a random block every day to show his daily message. This is the second, and and it's up to you to choose which one is suitable to you. That's all for today. I hope that my answers, it's enough for you, it's good for you. So just kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Go to my website botati.com if you need any question, if you need any assistance, if you need any tutorial, if you have some related work to me to make your bot, to your company, to your business, to yourself. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.